Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to set up QuickBooks. First, you'll select the QuickBooks version that best suits your business, whether it's desktop or online. Then, create a new company file, which is where all your financial data will reside. Carefully input your essential business details, such as your company name and address. Finally, choose your industry from the provided list to help QuickBooks tailor your initial chart of accounts, making the setup process much smoother for you. Next, you'll want to customize your chart of accounts. This is a critical step for accurate financial tracking. Review the default accounts provided by QuickBooks and modify them to fit your operations. Feel free to add any new accounts specific to your business activities, like a unique revenue stream or expense category. Conversely, delete any unused accounts to keep your financial records clean and easy to navigate. Finally, set up your accounting preferences to ensure reports are generated exactly how you need them. Now, let's focus on managing your customers and vendors. You can either import existing customer details from a spreadsheet or manually add each one, including their contact information and payment terms. Do the same for your vendors, ensuring you have all their necessary details for accurate expense tracking and bill payments. Then, set up your products and services, assigning appropriate rates for invoicing. Don't forget to define your sales, tax rates, and preferred payment terms to streamline your billing process. Finally, you'll enter your opening balances to ensure your QuickBooks file accurately reflects your financial position from day one. This includes inputting the current balances for all your bank and credit card accounts. Also, record any outstanding invoices owed to you and any bills you currently owe to vendors. If you manage inventory, enter the quantities and values of your stock. Once these initial steps are complete, you are ready to begin recording your daily business transactions with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.